How does burglary differ from trespass? Imagine walking into a house without permission and being accused of a crime. Now, picture entering a property just to look around without causing harm. These situations highlight two different crimes, burglary and trespass. Both involve entering someone else's property, but they are not the same. Understanding the difference can help you see why the law treats them differently. Trespass happens when someone enters or stays on another person's property without permission. It can be land, a building, or even a vehicle. Usually, trespass is considered a minor offense, called a misdemeanor. It does not require proof that the person intended to commit any other crime. The penalties for trespass are often small fines or short jail time. For example, if someone walks onto a neighbor's yard without permission, they might face trespass charges. Burglary is a more serious crime. It involves unlawfully entering a building, home, or vehicle with the specific goal of committing a crime inside. The crime inside could be theft, assault, or another felony. The key point is the intent to commit a crime once inside. It does not matter if the person actually steals or harms anyone, just having the intent at the time of entry is enough. Burglary is usually charged as a felony, which means it carries harsher punishments like many years in prison. The type of property involved also matters. Burglary often involves a dwelling, like a house or apartment, especially if someone is home. It can also include other structures like garages or even vehicles if the intent is to commit a crime inside. Trespass can apply to any property, from a small lot to a large building, and does not necessarily involve intent to commit another crime. Some jurisdictions add extra rules for burglary. For example, breaking into a home while someone is inside can lead to longer prison sentences. If no force is used and the entry is simply unauthorized, it can still be considered burglary if the intent is present. On the other hand, trespass usually does not involve breaking in or using force. It is simply entering without permission. From a legal point of view, proving burglary is harder because the prosecutor must show the person had the intent to commit a crime inside. If the defense can argue that there was no such intent, the charges might be reduced to trespass. This can significantly change the case's outcome. In summary, burglary differs from trespass mainly because it involves the intent to commit a crime inside the property. It is a more serious offense with stricter penalties. Trespass is a lesser crime that focuses only on unauthorized entry without the additional intent. Knowing these differences helps in understanding how the law treats each situation and what defenses might be available.